If your LinkedIn is not working for you right now, let me show you how to fix it in minutes using Google Gemini. I didn't rewrite my LinkedIn profile myself. I used AI and this is what it created. A clean, optimized profile that actually attracts clients, opportunities, and leads. Okay, so you start by opening your LinkedIn profile. You click on this me icon, then you click on the view profile. From there, it takes you to your page where you can click on resources and then choose save to PDF to download your profile. So your profile is already downloaded. Next thing now is to go to Google Gemini. You can sign in or sign up if you are not a user yet. This AI tool can analyze your profile and help you write it to make it more professional and attractive. Now what we're going to do is we're going to upload the PDF version of the LinkedIn profile so Gemini can analyze it. So to do that, I go to this plus icon, I click on upload files. It takes me to where I can upload my files. Okay, so my file now is uploaded. The next step is to put in our optimization prompt into Gemini. Now I'm going to put a prompt asking Gemini to analyze the document and ask a few questions before you write in my profile. So here is my prompt here. You can use the same prompt or use a different one for yourself. Okay, so I said before building and optimizing my LinkedIn profile, ask me a few clarifying questions. Ask for my primary goal, etc. Ask for my target audience, my main offer, ask for up to 2 featured links. And I said once you have this information, you write my full LinkedIn profile, including headline, about section, and the experience. So the next thing is to send this prompt. Gemini will now ask questions about our goals, our audience, and what you want your LinkedIn profile to achieve. What to do next is to wait for Gemini to generate the optimized profile. Let's scroll through the output and answer the question. So we can see what is your primary goal. It asks a question. I'm going to have to reply. Okay, so basically, once you answer the questions, Gemini will generate an optimized LinkedIn headline. So here is my response to the questions it asked me. I'm just going to send this now. So let's wait for the optimized LinkedIn profile is going to send. Okay, so we can see Gemini generated an optimized LinkedIn headline, the about section, the improved experience description, and even the education and certifications. So we go back to LinkedIn and paste the optimized content into our profile sections. So we go back to LinkedIn and paste the optimized content into the profile section. To do this on LinkedIn, simply go to your profile, you click on the me icon, you come to this pencil icon here, you click on it. That way you can edit your profile. So we can see the headline section here. You simply come here, paste in the headline section, the education section, and here we have the about section. Paste in the response for about from LinkedIn into this section. And when you are done, make sure you click on the save button. And just like that, your LinkedIn profile is now optimized to attract opportunities, clients, and professional connections. If you found this helpful and you're going to try it out, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you. Bye.